What is going on, Wu-Tank Clan? It's your boy Tank back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys just a few little clips real quick of me trying to put my computer together. And this is what we got. We got the Armor graphics card, Ryzen 5, some SSD. We got some power supply, just the Corsair standard 550 watts, blase blase. A Tomahawk Max motherboard, a 2 terabyte hard drive. We got a couple rip jaws in the case. But let's go ahead and get into it, baby. I'm so excited. Let's go. Okay, and now we're back to the CPU. I'm so nervous. Oh my God. There's so many pins. It's a little honker, boy. That thing's fat. All right. Moment of truth. We did it, boys and girls. We did it. It's in. Let's go. Come on. No. It's in. And it's down. It's down. It's in. It's in. Let's go. Come on. Now the fan. We're going to go with, we're trying to do wire management here, boys. So, is that it? Is that it? Is that it? Right? That's got to be it. Okay. Okay, so now we have this one tightened down just a little bit. We're going to go corner to corner. Hopefully this is going to line up right. I know this is probably not the best angle for me. Why is it not going in? Tried to do a video of me putting it together and it didn't go well. I have never built a PC before and I got extremely frustrated. I was completely lost. Thank you so much, Ian. He helped me out so much. I kept on calling him. He died so many times on Ark. It don't make no sense. But look at this mess. Hold on. I'm going to show you. Look at this mess. You're like, oh, okay, that ain't too bad. Oh, that ain't too... Jesus. Jesus. I tried to use a tripod right here, if you're wondering. Come on now. But hey, it was all worth it, because check it out. This is the beauty right here. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my God. That's what I used to use right there. You see how dusty it is? Oh my God. I'm upgrading from that to this. And hear me out. The reason I still have the wrapper on it is because I told Lady Tank when she gets home from work, she could wrap it off because it's so satisfying. And I know she'll love it.